What's good, y'all? This is IQ Invested, and today we're going to be discussing technical analysis for the week. Let's get right into it, man. All right, right now we're about to be breaking down just supply and demand areas, marking off supply and demand areas. That's all I'm going to be doing. You know what I'm saying? That's all we're doing, supply and demand areas, support and resistance, supply and demand. That's all it is. Now, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how I caught this trade this morning, and as well as the technical analysis. Yeah. Also, I learned something new, which has helped me a little bit. You know, it helped me a lot. I'm not about to start here and cap. It seemed like it's about to help me a lot. I've been back testing it, and it was working for me the past, couple of days. So we're gonna put this all to test. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put all this to use to make sure we really got this new knowledge. For real. So I'm just marking it off, and then I'm gonna really break it down later on down the video. I'm just explaining how I mark it off. I do this every video for those who don't really know. So this is supply and demand here, touch. As you can see, like this is really a point where it turned around. This is supply and demand. You feel me? If you don't understand supply and demand, I got a video right down. I got a video for you. You know what I'm saying? Explaining supply and demand. Guys, we're gonna just continue with this video though. I do like to critique this a little bit just to make sure it's as accurate as possible. Right? So I got one more here. Just there. Here. Okay. Now, as you can see right now, you can see the buy, right? You see the buy had a lot of momentum for this buy. Had a lot of momentum. That's why it happened so fast, went straight up so fast, so much, so it caught so much with no kind of drawdown, right? Had a pullback, had another buy, pullback, buy, pullback, buy, right? This is what's going on right now, is that the buy is overall is losing momentum, all right? So right now, it's just getting more buy. It's getting more buyers in the market by coming down here. Okay, so this is what I saw this morning. Like I said, I'm gonna break down the trade later on in the video, but I'm just telling y'all the technical analysis what's going on, man. So I'm gonna mark out some more supply and demand zones here for the people that's new, that gotta help everybody, man. You can't just leave people out. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I color code white for the week. I color code blue for the day. I color code purple for 4 hours. So y'all can really understand what I'm doing here and why I'm color coding this. All right, that's all we really need for right now. So to break down the chart pattern right now, like I said, it's going for the buy, and it's really losing momentum for this buy, man. That's why it's just like, it's not like how it was here, where it just caught so many pips so fast. You know what I'm saying? This is a lot of pips from here to here. Is a lot of pips with no drawdown. You know what I'm saying? This was a major buy. Okay, so a major sale happens, right? And it has a buy, but it starts consolidating. Had a buy, consolidated, had a sale, had a sale, had a sale, and had a buy, consolidated here, then have another breakout, of course, but it consolidated here. So overall, it's all losing momentum, right? This is what we know. It's losing momentum right now. Okay, so right now we're looking for a sale. That's why we caught that sale right there. and we'll really break down how I really saw it overall, right? So of course I'm gonna show y'all receipts that I really, I really did this, really did peep this. So, but as you can see here, this was a loss of momentum, and it had a pullback here, and that's when the market opened. This is when I was up at the market open, so I can really see, what was going on. A lot of blase. I really saw what was going on right here. So this was the point where I was just like, okay, so I see that it's losing buy moment, that had momentum, but this is the new knowledge that I recently learned that really helped me with this entry. All right, so I really entered on this candle. Okay, I entered on this very candle here, and I'm about to explain to y'all why. But first, I gotta show y'all the receipt of me really doing this. Right, I don't really know if y'all can see it, but I'll try to zoom in. All right, I can't really zoom in, but I really did, see it there, and that's when I saw it, and I said it right there, and I'm really explaining to y'all what I really saw. Okay, so right now, as you can see right here, this is what I've really recently learned is that the market likes to go to the origin of the move before it does, make the move. It likes to return. It likes to retrace to the origin of the move. So a lot of the times, when it goes for a sale, right, and it has a pullback, that's when it's like, okay, it's go time. That's times when most of us know that it's like a clear entry to enter. So that would be here. It had a drawdown, and it had a pullback, and then we saw the sale. So this was the area that was, clean for a sale. A sale. So with that being said, to really explain to y'all even more detail, right? We just gonna say I entered off that candle. And my TP, my first TP, was the lowest point of the move, which was here, as you can see here. All right. Now, why did I mark that off? Because that's a secure TP for me, right? It's a little 2 to 1, a little something nice, right? Something nice. I secured that. I put the SL right. Oh, yeah, let me explain that too. I put the SL up here because it's the top of the origin. If it breaks the origin of the move, then then it is what it is, type thing, right? If it breaks the origin, then I'm out. You know what I'm saying? And that's time for it's really just about to consolidate if it goes there. Whether it's going to consolidate or it's going to break out. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm like, that's SL that I'm going to set. That's the top of the origin. That's it. All right. So it didn't get there and it dropped, right? My first TP was here because this was I was solidifying like, okay, I made money today, right? My second TP was down here, but I did it because it's like we're on the tip of this because when it comes down to a buy and then a major sale, I like to go off of just the nearest TP. Not, I understand this is really the nearest TP, but I didn't do that. I went off the median of the tips of all of the candlesticks. So this was at 38.2, and this was a 2 hammer candles and a full and a golfing candle pattern. So this was really my turnaround point. I really said it here because this is the tip of this. This is the tip, like the damn near the tip of this, and like the top median of this. So it's kind of like the meeting point right here. So that was my second TP, was right here. Right. My second TP was right there. All right. And that's a 5 to 2. So that's how I really caught that move. It was beautiful. You know what I'm saying? It was very beautiful. As you can see there, it's very, very beautiful. Caught it very, very nicely. You feel me? Nice little TP. My active trades. This was the entry. Entry was crisp. You know what I'm saying? It was very, very crisp. It was nice, man. I put that in the trade. That was a 1-to-1. I'll be honest, I didn't trade that. I felt like the whole move was going, but I like to put in trades. I like to send active trades because I like to make sure people get profits a lot of the times. I really shouldn't do that. But I do put both moves into my chats. I put in my first TP, which is always to secure the bag, my second TP, and my third TP was just like, the maximum, like just 5 to 2 right here, And that's really what I do. So yeah, man, if you like the video, this video helps you in any kind of way, leave a like down below, man. If you like this kind of content, I'm gonna be coming with this kind of content weekly. So if you need help with technical analysis or anything like that, I got a Discord down below. And you can just join that Discord, and we going to really get into, learning how to be. We got a lot of traders in that Discord that just really want to learn how to make money, really want to get down and really try to, get to the gritty of just making money, learn how to really make money in this foreign exchange market. You know what I'm saying? This is what we do, man. I'm IQ. This is IQ Invested, man. I'll be seeing y'all, man.